I'm gonna show him the hustle though. So I washed this off already.
I do the dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lock these wheels and deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. The grind don't stop at the top of the morning. Y'all see I got this little G6 behind me. I don't know, can y'all see that back there? But yeah, I'm in Big Bertha. I'm putting her to work, man. She dragging this bitch across town. If I could drop this car out the mechanic shop. The car does run. Well, right now I'm solo. I didn't have no help, so I just decided to put it on the tow dolly. And I think just the shocks or just the front suspension needs to be fixed or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them fix that. And I'll see y'all at the mechanic shop. Let's get it. We bounce out. Show y'all what we got, man. See what we working with. Oh yeah, we got this G6. I don't know if y'all remember it. It's just the front end. Everything runs good though. Starts right up. Don't even have to jump it or nothing like that. Y'all see it, man. Got a little hail damage. It's pretty clean. Shouts out to Money Maker Shine. Y'all go to his YouTube channel. He detailed this whole car out for me. Cleaned it all up. This car was filthy. Came out pretty clean. Actually, this interior better than the other interior in the other cars I got. God damn, the strap came off. Oh no, that's dangerous. What the fuck? The strap slid off, huh? Damn. Well, at least I made it here safe. And good thing I didn't hop on the freeway, y'all. That shit would have been all bad. This side's still on though. Alright. Shit, why does shit get so goddamn loose? I don't know, guys. I need to stop rushing, man. You know what I mean? But the grind don't stop, man. I'm about to go over here. My mechanic shop's over here. Put Big Bertha to work. Let me get this angle where y'all can see the full effect. How long and big this motherfucker is, man. Y'all see it, man. Big Bertha in the house. Start this bitch up. Start it right up. Motor sounds good. Easy. Oh shit. I'm hoping it not fuck up the fucking bumper. Oh, they gonna charge me extra to fix that. My seatbelt on. And I'm only going over it just in case I get hit. I can't see. Make sure this transmission good. Hope it don't run out of gas. Oh man, see this motherfucker shit. I forgot what was wrong with this goddamn car. I had it so goddamn long. It took long enough to get the title. Okay. Yeah, a wheel band. Shocks and wheel bearing, I'll say. Yeah, alignment probably. Yep, wheel bearing, shocks, and alignment. I think this car's been good. Park this car somewhere. I'll park this car over there. Yeah, they got a lot of cars up here because he flipped cars, sell cars, buy and sell cars from the auction, fix his own cars, and then a lot of other dealers bring their cars up here too. So I don't know. Roll these windows up though and put this shit in park. Roll these windows up. Drop this shit out. We're on 21st in May, man. If y'all want to find some good mechanics just to help y'all out, you know, Kalu over here, man. So y'all holla at me. Let me holla at Jenna real quick and drop this car off. Let's get it. So So guys, y'all see I'm at Walmart over here. I had to get my little starter kit. I had to get some degrees if I could clean these motors off and these damn rims. I went with Purple Power, you know. I got some hubcaps, 15s and 14s. I got the Chevy Avail and the Chevy Malibu that need hubcaps. Now see, I do got a power washer. This is what I use. I usually use this off camera or use it with my personal cars. But I got my gas can, I got my hose. I'm about to set it up shop. So let's load this thing up. Got my jump box. Got everything I need. So I should load this bitch up. So guys, I'm out here, man, on the fucking grind. Y'all see I got the power washer. We got JJ's Cars in the Vice running. Get your ass up. Yeah, he caught me over here working. He recorded me earlier, so y'all make sure y'all go watch that on his channel. He be having all type of exclusive shit of me, so y'all make sure y'all go give him a like and a follow and share his damn videos, because his shit also be lit. So y'all see it.
For advice, you know.
And he got a fresh cut, man. He got that 80s baby cut. Yeah. Look at him.
80s, but I'm born in the 90s.
Yeah, I know. He got that 80s cut though.
Give y'all some advice. Like, I want some advice.
They need advice. I'm gonna show them the hustle though. So I washed this off already. Clean this goddamn motor off. I know a lot of y'all don't care to see me wash cars, but hey, so I got more cars to do. Man. It's gonna be one busy ass. And it's already hot. It's already 90 degrees, so I'm doing one car each, run inside, drink some water, sit down for a minute, edit a video for y'all, and then get back out here and do it. And then shit, they've been customers stopping by and shit, so stopping me, holding me up. But got some of this Purple Power. I need to spray on the wheels and tires real quick. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all, man, after I'm done cleaning these goddamn cars and show y'all how good. Look at this shit. You see, like for shit like this, I'll spray this. I'll spray this shit on there. Especially this right here. Especially this a white car. Oh yeah. I'll have spray the whole goddamn car. That's the type of shit I do, y'all. But I don't want to waste my Purple Power.
You can only do that to white. You can only do that and spray like the whole car, like white or silver.
White, yeah, white or silver. Yep.
Do that to a black car. Black car is the hardest.
Oh no, you fuck up the paint. So I really wanted to show y'all this motor. Real dirty, real dusty, and see how clean we get it. Woo! It's fucking hot as fuck. I'm gonna roll these windows down before I go on this little ride. So since we already know from the other video, was it a couple of videos ago when I brought this Acura up here? Gotta get some pictures, man, if I can put it on the Instagram for y'all, man. Y'all wanna know what I sell these cars for? Follow me on Instagram. Y'all wanna know? Y'all interested, man? DM me. Lucky Wheels and Deals, Lucky Luciano on Facebook. This guy's excellent. And there's a lot of people bullshitting on my goddamn Instagram right now. I don't have time for the jokes. I'm not in the joking mood. When I'm on Instagram, you talking about money and buying cars and doing business. Let's keep it like that. Let's keep the jokes aside, because I can't read you fuck up good business. By the time there's someone talking about some real money on the other message, by the time I get to that damn message, I don't feel like playing around or either reading that shit, or I don't have time. I'm too busy reading y'all bullshit ass comments. You know what I mean? And I keep telling y'all, man, I ain't looking for shit. I'm not buying shit that you want or looking for shit that you want until you hire me. And to hire me, give my $300 finder's fee to look for you anything. I'm not gonna buy shit that I don't want, or if I don't got it. If you want something I don't got, you're gonna have to pay for me to locate it. Other than that, man, buy what the hell I got on my goddamn lot, or buy whatever the hell y'all see in the videos and jump on it. You know what I mean? Do a little walk around for y'all. It did come out pretty clean. It came out real clean. Good old Purple Power. Looks amazing. Way better. So the AC does not work. I did not try to charge it. If I charge it, the price gonna go up, but the price might go up a couple $100. You know what I mean? The grind don't stop, man. You can ask your boy Jay. He said, damn, Lucky, you out there working. I said, man, I do this shit all goddamn day working this goddamn heat. This is what I do. Go fuck how much money I got. I'm stuck in the grind. You feel me? So, since I know this car drive, oh, let me show y'all the inside. It's not super bad. You know what I mean? Someone could deal with it for the right price. This seat needs to be adjusted, but hey, it's all good. Let's see how clean that purple power. Did it work as magic or nah? Okay, yeah, they cleaned the fuck out of that shit. I ain't even gonna lie. It's all cleaned up. Like my dad would say, you can eat off of it. Now, I don't know about that, buddy. Hell yeah. Y'all see it, man. We out here, man. Like I said, y'all gonna have to watch the next video to see what else I'm about to get myself into with these other cars, because I'm done with making these long ass videos. I mean, there's a lot of y'all watching, but shit, man, I'm trying to drop these videos faster and faster for y'all. So anyways, guys, shout out to the whole Lucky Nation, and make sure y'all go follow the Lucky Nation Station channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Lucky Wheels and Deals. But just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
Rice bowl, smoke in your face, supercharger. Push this button, that's my engine starter. Pistol tuck, might be private, but my engine souped up.